House tour as promised, finally it is here. Me and Jessa, we have moved from Molbol to Samboan, where we now live in a house that we're renting until our own house will be finished built. We expect that to have a time frame of about 18 months. You never know the license stuff, but 18 months is what we're hoping for. We still haven't bought the land, but we know already what kind of house we're gonna have. We just need to find the perfect land, and that's what we're gonna start on now soon. So first of all, there's our gate. Fence over to the neighbor is too low because it's not finished built, so we're gonna put a netting fence there so the dogs don't come in. Other than that, we're all fenced in. Here is the house. This is where we live now. Joking. This is the caretaker house. We don't have a caretaker live in the house now because we don't really need a live-in caretaker. This is my bike, by the way. Here you can see me and Jess are never really around here. This is maybe when we are Jessa's family, they want to do some cooking on that because, you know, Philippine tradition and all of that. We're not gonna have a live-in caretaker for now anyway. So what we are gonna have is probably at some point some people to help us clean the house, because me and Jessa, we work, full-time parents. It's just to free up some time. But for now, the house is finished move into, and all that needs now is a full clean. I don't know if we're gonna do that ourselves or hire someone to do it, because yeah, we kind of have a lot of things to do, and outsourcing a little bit is better to free up some time. Here's our car in the sun, but we have tarp for the car, so we put that over. It's just we're gonna go out driving soon. Yes, I've been washing the car seat, I see. So let's go and see the house, shall we? There we store our water and the tarp for the car. This is where we mostly sit during the daytime when we're outside having some fresh air, because we have Liam, and being a bow is it's just easier to be here and let Liam play around. Here's my spinning bike. Very good addition, because the way we live now is a little bit up the mountain again, so you can see with the view here, and that makes it hard for walking, and for my knees, walking in the hills is not really that good. But spinning bike is great. For now I just do 10 kilometers a day, but I'm gonna have days where I do more. And 10 kilometers is, I think it equals to like 10 or 12,000 steps. And I do it in 22-23 minutes, so I don't know why I didn't buy this before. This is so much better. My manuals, or washing machine. Hey. So, oh yeah, look at that beautiful statue and stuff down there. It's a pretty good place. I'm very happy with this place. We're paying like 20,000 a month, included part-time caretaker taking the trash and keeping the property in order. So that's nice. Let's see, all of my dumbbells. I think that's the name for it. Hello, anybody home? So here is where we eating. Here's where we eating dinner. This is our kitchen, which I like very, very, very much. It's nice getting up in the morning, just sit here, having my cereal, some coffee, some background music. And you see here, we're not really fancy people, eh? We still use coffee sticks, and this is for Jess, a little bit healthier sweet coffee than normal. And we have stevia, sugar if you want that. We have tea, you know, and of course Filipinos like this, so we have this for offering. It's a nice kitchen. I'm very happy with it. A lot of space for everything. And obviously I bought Jessa this, she can reach up. She's short, guys. And here, more cabinets, which is both nice and sometimes not so nice. So see here, this is gone on purpose, because here is where Jessa keeps snack, and Liam learned that very quickly. So now we can't open it. Here's my protein powder that's needed for losing weight. And here is the living room. Let's go and have a look at that. Yes, I have actually been very, yeah, look at that. That is my chair, my pillow. But yes, so we have wooden chairs, so we just bought like this. I don't know what this is. Just bought like this, and it works like a charm, and I use this for my back. I sit here without problem. And since I'm not working so much anymore, we actually have some family time in the evening, and it's nice sitting here watching some TV, right?
Watching cartoon?
Yeah, Liam watching cartoon now, but sometimes we get to watch what we want to. It's not often, but Liam don't watch much TV anymore, does he now?
No. As you can see, he's busy.
The cartoon is on and he's not even watching it. And we give him less than 1 hour a day now, I think.
Yeah.
It's just, we finished with all the moving and stuff, so he's good with playing. He just needed a bigger place, right? Yeah. So here, this is one of the best buys we ever did. He loves this. This is where he eats now. He's so excited about sitting here and eating. Here is my office. I said to Jessa that when we're moving now, I want to have office in the living room. It wasn't really a solution for that here, because I was thinking of buying some office chair and a office desk. But we had this for no use for me and Jessa. So I just built a provisoric office out of this, and it works like a charm. We did the same here. Put this and the ice box with some mats on it for my feet. And these pillows put me far enough out. And I'm pretty happy here. I can sit there, do some gaming, work. Yeah, watching Liam. It's good. Being at work, but at the same time being with my family. I like it a lot. And here's briefcase and office supplies in this. I mean, cameras, equipments, you know, the whole shebang. Hey baby, I love you. Let's show you the above bedroom. We go above here. And then we come to bedroom. This would have been me and Jessa's bedroom, but since we have Liam, we just felt like it's better to have a bedroom below. You have a little kid, you have to think about that too. So this is where I store my stuff. Most of this is mine, some of it is Jessa, but most of it is mine, like this. That's a bathroom, a shower, toilet, and a sink behind the door here. Let's go down again. Down, down, down. Hey. And then let's show you the other guest bedroom, because these are used as guest bedrooms and storage room. So this is the other guest bedroom that's in here. So this is where Jessa stores her stuff, except for my dirty clothes on my bear. And as you can see, we had to put the fridge in here. That's because of Liam. He really knows how to go into the fridge. And these days, it's mostly eggs he's going for, right?
Yeah.
And that sucks. So this is the other, this is where if Jessa's mom and dad comes, they will sleep above, and the kids will just stay here. Also aircon, very nice, all good. And then you have me in Jessa's bedroom. Oh, my wife moving now. Let's go and have a look. This is where we sleep. So, also aircon, obviously. We wouldn't choose a bedroom without aircon. And this was just a better room for us when we have Liam and all of that. And we have toilet, shower. By in there, yeah, there it is. And this is, I use this this bathroom, just like the other one. It's just better, I don't need so much space, and then we can have our thing out. Don't have to buy shelves and stuff, it's just a better way of doing it. I quite like this bedroom, it's nice. It would have been better above, but then again, have to think about the little boy. And then we come to the main bathroom. That is where Jessa, because this is a little bit better shower and stuff like that, a little bit better toilet, but that's fine, Jessa can have. And yeah, Jessa has so many beauty things and stuff like that, so that just cluster up if I'm gonna come in here with my stuff too. So this is just a better solution. And Jessa is washing all of her clothes and Liam clothes. I only wash my own clothes. So she just needs a bigger space. This is perfectly fine for me. Also, this shower isn't really made for me, because, I mean, seriously, the other shower is higher. Up there. And out here is nothing. This is just a very temporary put garbage, and it's like storage place for things we don't use. This is the washing machine that comes with the house. We use our own because it has a dryer. Okay. That's most of it below. We have one balcony too behind here, which we use when the sun is going on the other side. If you want to sit aside with a cup of coffee, we do that here. I have my place here, as you can see. I like to sit with my legs up because less pain in my back. And yeah, it's plenty nice. It's where we hang up the clothes. We have some tilapias up there, a tilapia pond. Interestingly enough, there's a ton of them in there. The caretaker take care of feeding them. So that's about it. Hey baby. Censored from camera. Why are you angry, Liam?
The toy, the plane.
Oh, the toy falling. So Liam has a particular way of playing. If the toys won't listen to what he's trying to do, he gets angry, and I mean super angry. So the toys better listen. Okay, so let's go above. And this is where I don't really sit there much in daytime because we have the kid, but when we have friends, it's perfect. And when we have ordered a baby call, so we can watch Liam sleep while we sit above here with a glass of wine and some good food after Liam is sleeping. But for now we're waiting for that before we do that. And this is very nice in the evening and in the night time. Just it's been very raining yesterday, so sitting here and enjoying this view, especially when the sun goes down with a bear, is nothing wrong in that. It's very okay. All okay. I really love this place. We can buy it, but we feel the price is too high, and maybe we want a little bit bigger than this when we're building. So, and different solutions. It's always better to, and if we build ourselves, the price would be about half or less than what he wants for this place, and it would be bigger and stronger. But just for the ease of it, it would be nice to buy this place. It's just build, we find the land, we build ourselves and get the house of our dreams once and for all. Because if we buy this one, there's many things we want to change with it. It's perfect for renting, not for owning for us. It's just, here's a music room, which is, I mean, for me and Jessa, this is perfect for rental. It's just, if you would own it, there's so many things that needs to be changed. But here is a karaoke. Speakers are plenty good. I mean, battery died there on me because it got too warm. But that's basically it. This is a music room. Out there is a small balcony for enjoying. And we have a beautiful view. All of this for 20,000 pesos a month, which I feel it is worth. The price for buying it, not so much. If it came down a lot on the price, we would consider it. But for now, we're still building. And on that note, thanks for following me around and watch this house tour of ours. And see you on the next one. Bye bye.